Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, um, it's been a while. I posted a live video like this. Um, we have this question on the board. It's a challenge that is going to involve us using exponential and logarithmic, laws to solve. And here is the question: if x and y are real numbers satisfying these equations, find the value 1 over x plus 1 over y. Before we continue, please, if today is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, that's the online Master Academy, please, I will urge you to subscribe to my channel and then give me a thumbs up. If you are returning subscribers, please like my video, share it, and then give me a comment. Okay, so let's start. We have this problem. There are two methods I'm going to use to solve this problem, okay? I'm going to use two methods. And the first method is, let's look at method 1. So I'm going to have, we have 2 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of y equals 216. So what we're going to do is to first derive, we're going to write the equation first in terms of x, and then second in terms of y. So first in terms of x, we have 2 to the power of x equals to 216, okay? And then of course 2 to the power of x will give us 6 to the power of 3. And then from there we have, we take the natural log of both sides. So we have ln of 2 to the x equal to ln of 6 to the power of 3. And so this x comes here as a coefficient. So we have x ln of 2 equal to 3 ln of 6. So from here, x will give us 3 ln of 6 over ln of 2. So we can call this 1. And then we come over here and look at the second part of the equation. So we look at the second part of the equation. So we're going to have 3 to the power of y equals to 216. And so it's going to be 3 to the power of y equals to 6 to the power of 3. Because we know that 6 multiplied by 6 will give us 36. And then multiply by 6 again, that will give us 216. So it's going to be 6 to the power of 3, okay? And so if we take the natural log, so it's going to be ln 3 to the power of y equal to ln 6 to the power of 3. So as usual, this y becomes the coefficient of the natural log. So you have y ln 3 equal to 3 ln 6. So y will give 3 ln 6 all over ln of 3. So we can call this equation 2. So what we need to do is to find the reciprocal of equation 1 and also find the reciprocal of equation 2. Find the reciprocal of both equations 1 and 2. So the reciprocal of equation 1 will be 1 over x. 1 over x. And if x is 3 ln of 6 over ln of 2, so the 1 over x will be ln of 2 over 3 ln of 6. The same way, 1 over y will give us ln of 3 over 3 ln of 6. Now, let's look at what we have. The question is that we should find the value of, we should find 1 over x plus 1 over y. Okay? So already we have the value of 1 over x and we have 1 over y. So what we just need to do is to add the two results. So we're going to have now so we have 1 over x plus, sorry, so this will give us 1 over x plus 1 over y. 1 over x is ln of 2 over 3 ln of 6 plus 1 over y is ln of 3 over 3 ln of 6. You can see that the denominators are the same. So we can take the common denominator, 3. You can take the common denominator, that will be 3 ln of 6. And then, of course, at the numerator, we're going to have ln of 2 plus ln of 3. And we know that in logarithm, note that ln of 2 plus ln of 3 will give us ln of 2 times 3, which will give us ln of 6. So, this equation now becomes ln of 6 all over 3 ln of 6. So ln of 6 and ln of 6 will go. The answer is 1 over 3. Therefore, 1 over x plus 1 over y will be equal to 1 over 3. So that is the result. So that's for method 1. Then for method 2, what we're going to do is for method 2, so for method 2, what we will do is we go back to 2 to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of y equal to 216. So we're going to get our 1 and 2. So 2 to the power of x equal to 6 to the power of 3. And then, of course, 3 to the power of y will be equal to 6 to the power of 3. Then one thing I'm going to do now is to go back to the fraction 1 over x plus 1 over y. I'm going to express this as a single fraction, so which will give me the LCM will be xy, and then of course I have x plus y at the denominator. So the LCM is xy. So x will divide xy. So we're going to have so we're going to have, let me do it properly. So x will divide xy. So we're going to have y here plus y will divide into xy. So we're going to have x. So this will give me x plus y over xy. Okay, so how is this important? I'm going to show it to us now. This is important because if we start from this first one, we have 2 to the power of x equal to 6 to the power of 3. Now, if you look at the single fraction, we have xy and x plus y. So what we are going to do is to take the power, we raise the power of both sides to y. Okay? We multiply both powers on both sides with y. Multiply the powers on both sides by y. Because the power here is x, so by the time you multiply by y, you are going to get xy. Okay? So we have 2 to the power of x all to the power of y equal to 6 to the power of 3 all to the power of y. So once you multiply the y's, the powers, you have 2 to the power of xy equal to 6 to the power of 3y. So let's call this equation 1 for the second method now. So we also do the same thing for the other part, which is 3 to the power of y equal to 6 to the power of 3. Now, because the power is already, there's y in the power, so this time around, in order to obtain xy, we just multiply the powers on both sides by x. Multiply the powers on both sides 3 to the power of y all to the power of x equal to 6 to the power of 3 all to the power of x. So we have 3 to the power of xy equal to 6 to the power of 3x. So we can call this another equation 2. That's for under the second method. So what we are now going to do is to multiply equation 1 by equation 2. Let's multiply equation 1 by equation 2. So we'll do that from the left hand side. So on the left we have 2 to the power of xy multiplied by 3 to the power of xy equal to, then on the right we multiply equation 1 by equation 2. Sorry, equation 1 by equation 2. So you have 6 to the power of 3y multiplied by 6 to the power of 3x. So here now, we are going to apply a law here. The law we are going to apply is that if you have a to the power of x dot b to the power of x, this will give us a dot b all to the power of x. So we are going to apply this law here on the left. We apply this to the left. Then we are going to apply, if you have a to the power of x dot a to the power of y, this will be a to the power of x plus y. So we will apply this on the right hand side. So we apply the first to the left and apply the second to the right hand side. Okay? So what we're going to do now is that from what we've just said, multiply equation 1 by equation 2, which we have carried out, and then let's apply this law to the left hand side. So once we apply this law, a dot b, so a is 2, b is 3. So by the time you multiply 2 times 3, we are going to get 6. So we have 2 dot 3 all to the power of x. So the same powers, xy. Then on the right, we have, since the bases are the same, we apply this second law. We have 6 to the power of 3y plus 3x. Okay? So that's what we have there. So 2 times 3 will give us 6 to the power of xy equal to 6 to the power of 3 bracket x plus y. Okay? So from here, we have that base 6 on both sides are the same, so they cancel each other out. So we are going to have x equal to 3 bracket x plus y. Now let's divide both sides by x plus y. Okay? Because is it divide by x plus y? Or divide both sides by xy. Divide, since the denominator of the combined fraction, you know, where we had 1 over x plus 1 over y. The single fraction is x plus y over xy. So in that case, we have to divide both sides by xy. So we have x y over xy equal to 3 into x plus y over xy. So this and this will go. We have 1 equal to 3 bracket x plus 3 into x plus y over xy. So we're actually looking for the value of, so therefore now if we divide, so from here now, x plus y over xy will be equal to 1 over 3. Just divide both sides by 3 this time. So divide both sides by 3, so we are going to get this. So for the two methods, we got the same result. So that's where we come to the end of the class. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you and